Ready to unlock the power of effortless payment collection? Let's dive into Stripe and revolutionize the way you get paid. First, let's quickly grasp what Stripe offers: a comprehensive suite of tools to manage online and in-person payments. We will cover accepting one-time payments, recurring subscriptions, and professional invoices. For the quickest setup, explore Stripe's payment links. This is your best bet for selling a single product or service without code. It is as simple as creating a link and sharing it to your audience. Now, for recurring revenue, head over to Stripe Subscriptions. This automated system makes it super easy to charge customers a weekly, monthly, or annual basis. Need to send professional invoices? Stripe Invoicing has you covered. It automates payment reminders, tracks invoice status, and integrates smoothly with your accounting software. For more advanced integrations, Stripe offers powerful APIs and SDKs. The Stripe API can be tailored to your website or application-specific needs. Explore options like Stripe Checkout for pre-built payment forms, Stripe Elements for a customized user interface, and mobile SDKs for in-app purchases. And that's it. You're now equipped to start collecting payments like a pro with Stripe. Remember to explore the extensive documentation and community resources for further customization and support. Happy collecting!